Hello students, my name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, and I am your subject teacher of Social Studies. Students, hope you all are good at your homes and concerned about the rising cases of COVID-19. So please follow the guidelines and instructions, okay, prescribed by the government, and please be safe, eat healthy and be healthy. Now students, in our previous videos we had completed our 5 chapters of social studies. Okay, in 5th chapter we had read about cities of India. Okay, now this is your 6th chapter, which is this is your 6th chapter, and the title of this chapter is Some More Cities of India. Okay, as we had discussed about 4 main cities, oldest and largest cities of India, that were Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. Okay, now in this chapter we are going to study about some more important cities which are big in size and they have a variety of different cultures. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss some more cities of India. In this chapter, students, it is starting from page number 39. Okay, it is page number 39 in your book, and here you can see the title of this chapter, that is Some More Cities of India. Now students, you can see on the left side it is given learning outcomes. Okay, this topic, it is given learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson you will be able to name a few more important cities in India. Okay, describe the life and culture of the people living in these cities. Okay, so these are the 2 points which we are going to learn after the completion of this chapter. What it is? First one is name a few more important cities in India. It means that we are going to name, or we are going to know about some more cities of India, except that 4 oldest and largest cities which we had completed in our 5th chapter. And in the same way, when we are going to discuss about some more cities of India, we are going to learn the life and culture of the people who are living in these cities. Okay, as we know, India is a land of diverse culture, language, food habits, clothing habits. In the same way, we can say that in each and every part of our country, whether it is cities, states, okay, every people have different cultures in different cities, different states. Okay, so these are the points which we are going to study in this chapter. Now we have to start this chapter from this point. Okay, for a long time Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai were the only big cities in India. As we had discussed these 4 cities about, we had learnt about these 4 cities in our previous chapter. Now there are many large cities in our country. Let us look at a few more in this lesson. Okay, so first one is Bengaluru. Okay, first one is Bengaluru. What it is written here? Bengaluru is the capital of the state of Karnataka in southern India. Okay, Bengaluru is the capital of the state of Karnataka in southern India. It means that Bengaluru city is the capital of state of Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in our southern India, and the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore, which is a big city. So firstly we are going to learn about Bangalore. Okay, now before starting about Bangalore, we have to discuss this point which is regarding Bangalore. Okay, what is the heading of this topic? Know more. It means know something extra about Bangalore. Okay, so what it is written, Bangalore is often called the Silicon Valley of India as it has hundreds of information technology, that we can say IT, software and telecommunication companies. Okay, Bangalore is often called, okay, we often say Bangalore with some other name, that is Silicon Valley of India. Okay, it is the Silicon Valley of India as it has hundreds of information technology, software and telecommunication companies. Silicon Valley is the area in USA where there are many high-tech companies. Okay, Silicon Valley is the place or area in USA. It is particularly in USA which is named as Silicon Valley because there are many high-tech companies. So in the same way, in Bangalore also there are many high-tech information technology companies, okay, software companies and telecommunication companies. So Bangalore is also often called Silicon Valley of India. Okay, now come to this point, Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital of the state of Karnataka in southern India. Okay, over the last few years, now we have to turn the page to page number 40. Over the last few years, Bangalore has grown from a small city into one of the largest cities in India. This is because it is the main center of IT industry in India. Okay, from a smaller city to a bigger city, Bangalore has grown. Okay, because this is the main center of IT industry in India. How it has grown from a smaller city to bigger city? Because Bangalore is the main IT center, or we can say main center of IT industries in India. Bangalore is popularly known as the Garden City because of the many beautiful parks found here. Okay, Bangalore is also popularly known as the Garden City because of the many beautiful parks found here. Lal Bagh and Kabban Park are well known among them. The weather is pleasant in Bangalore around the year. This makes it a very attractive city to live in. Okay, Bangalore, sorry, Bangalore is popularly known as the Garden City because of the many beautiful parks found here. Okay, as it is also known as Silicon Valley of India, it is also popularly known as Garden City because of the many beautiful parks found here. For example, Lal Bagh and Kabban Park are well known among them. The weather is pleasant in Bangalore around the year. Okay, the weather in Bangalore is very much pleasant throughout the year. This makes it a very attractive city to live in. Now in the left side you can see some images. Okay, in left side you can see some images of Bangalore city. Okay, now this one is the second image is of, in the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, flowers have been used to create different patterns and shapes. Okay, in the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, flowers have been used to create different patterns and shapes to make the beautiful garden. Okay, now in the right hand side there is an image which is showing the Vidhan Sabha where the state government works from, is one of the famous monuments of Bangalore. Okay, this is the building. It is known as the Vidhan Sabha, from where the state government works from. Now we have some more points regarding Bangalore. Second para we are starting. Okay, from this point, what it is written: Bangalore is an important center for education. It has several famous colleges and institutes like the Indian Institute of Science. Kannada is the main language spoken here. English, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, and Hindi are also spoken. The metro rail has started running here and helps reduce road traffic. Okay, Bangalore is an very important center for education. It has several famous colleges and institutes like the Indian Institute of Science. Okay, it is a very important city for education or students, because in Bangalore there are very famous colleges and institutes like the Indian Institute of Science. Kannada is the main language spoken here. Okay, Kannada is the main language spoken in Bangalore. After that, English is the second main language which is being spoken in Bangalore. After that, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, and Hindi are also spoken. The metro rail has started running here and helps reduce road traffic. Okay, so these were the points regarding Bangalore. Now, students, in the left side of your page, this one, it is given a life skills. What it is written in this column: cities are usually very large places. If you are new to a city, you can lose your way easily. It is always important to carry a few important things when you visit a new city, such as a road map and the phone numbers of people you know. Okay, it means that cities are usually very large places. Okay, when we are visiting a new city, then it is a very large place, whichever city we are visiting or whichever new city we are visiting. So it is very strange for us to determine the roads of that place or determine the exact places. So it is very difficult for the newcomers who are visiting the new cities. So it is very important to keep some important things or tools, we can say, with us to move around the city very easily. First one is, we should have a roadmap of that particular city and some contact numbers of important peoples who are living in that respected or respective city. Okay, now we have second city, which is Hyderabad. Okay, we are going to start from Hyderabad, from this point. Okay, another important city in India is Hyderabad. It is the capital of the new state of Telangana. However, it is also allowed to serve as the capital of Andhra Pradesh till 2024. Okay, so what does it means? Hyderabad is the capital of two states. First one is Telangana and second one is Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad will be capital of Andhra Pradesh till 2024. Okay, so another important city in India is Hyderabad. It is the capital of the new state of Telangana. The new state which was formed after dividing Andhra Pradesh, which is Telangana. So the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. However, it is also allowed to serve as the capital of Andhra Pradesh till 2024. Okay, now come to the next page, which is page number 41. These are the some pictures showing the food culture of Hyderabad, the Bengal store or pearl shop near the Charminar, and in the left side of your page is the picture of the Charminar, which was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, the founder of Hyderabad. I can show you this with the pointer, with the help of pointers. First image is of Charminar. Okay, the Charminar was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, the founder of Hyderabad. Second image is of a bangle and pearl shop near the Charminar. Okay, and third image is of plate of Hyderabadi mutton biryani. Okay, it is a very famous food of Hyderabad. Now we have fourth image. Fourth image is of Ahmedabad. We are going to discuss the third city, then we are going to use that image. Okay, first we are discussing about Hyderabad. So what it is written about Hyderabad. The city of Hyderabad is more than 400 years old. Okay, the city of Hyderabad is more than 400 years old. The Nizams ruled Hyderabad before India became independent. Okay, what does it means? Hyderabad was being ruled by Nizams. Okay, this is the word which is written, Nizams. Okay, the Nizams ruled Hyderabad before India became independent. During their rule, the city was famous for its food and culture. Before the time when India got independent from Britishers, the Nizams were the main rulers of Hyderabad. And during their reign, during their period, okay, during the Nizams period when they were ruling in Hyderabad, so it was famous for its food and culture. Hyderabad is known for its pearls, bangles, and Bidri ware. Today, it is one of the largest centers in India of the IT industry. Okay, Hyderabad is known for its pearls, bangles, and Bidri ware, and also today it is one of the largest centers in India of the IT industry. The city is also famous for its biryani and the sweet dish Khubani ka meetha. Telugu is the main language spoken here. Urdu, Hindi, and English are also spoken by many. People belonging to all faiths live here. The Charminar and the Hussain Sagar Lake are famous tourist attractions. Okay, when we are reading from this point, what it is written, the city is also famous for its biryani. Okay, Hyderabadi biryani is very much famous in all over India, and the sweet dish which is Khubani ka meetha. Okay, Khubani ka meetha is the famous sweet dish of Hyderabad, and Telugu is the main language spoken here. After that, Urdu, Hindi, and English are also spoken by many. People belonging to all faiths live here. The Charminar and the Hussain Sagar Lake are famous tourist attractions. Okay, the Charminar and the Hussain Sagar Lake are famous tourist attractions where tourists visit to see the places. Okay, so these were the points regarding two cities, that is Hyderabad and Bengaluru. After that, we are going to discuss some more cities of India. Till then, students, you are supposed to revise the points regarding two cities which we had discussed just now, which is Bengaluru and Hyderabad. You are going to revise each and every points what we had discussed just now, and please be safe, be healthy. Thank you so much. Please be supportive.